Every time we cut concrete, stone, brick, mortar, it creates crystalline silica dust, which is totally our enemy.
So it is a very fine particulate, and if you breathe it in, all sorts of nasty things can come of it. We've heard of silicosis, lung cancer. Not good stuff.
Not good stuff. So over the years, what we've typically done is whoever was using a tool, again, a drill or a grinder, we'd have a guy right beside him with a vacuum cleaner,
Right.
and he'd be just dragging that hose and sucking up all the dust.
We've seen that before. We've seen you guys using hoses. I mean, ideally a wet saw, but sometimes just putting water on it really keeps the dust down.
That's right. They've come up with some new technology and new equipment that we're going to be able to use.
All right. Well, let's see how dusty the old-fashioned
All right.
way is if we just drill with a regular bit into this concrete.
See how that goes.
Wow, so a lot of dust initially, at least.
So Kevin, as you can see, we just have an adapter that retrofits onto our vacuum. You can see this little pocket right here enables us to suction onto the wall. You can see this little area, that's where the dust is going to be collected.
And you can stick pretty much any size bit through there.
That's right. It's
Okay.
actually a neat little tool. So Kevin, having a vacuum is very helpful, but if I'm on a staging and I don't have electricity, I'm in trouble. So look at this little adapter. Docks right onto my hammer drill just like that.
Cordless vac for the cordless drill.
Exactly. So Kevin, up until this point, I've showed you just off-the-shelf bits. Look at this guy that I have here. See the hose?
Yeah.
That's our vacuum. Goes into this little adapter.
So attached to the bit, but almost a foot away from the tip.
But look at the end of the shank.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, that's right where we collect the dust. That air inlet is what sucks in the dust down the shank into the vacuum.
Let's see that one work.
Yeah, let's give that a try. So one of the messiest jobs that we do, cutting, grinding, or smoothing. And this is the tool we use. It's just a grinder. It's very dusty without an adapter. But when we hook up the vacuum to the dust shroud, there's almost no dust. And this is a grinder with a tuck pointing blade. We're going to show you without dust collection and with dust collection.
Wow. Virtually dust-free grinding and drilling. That is impressive and a huge improvement.
It's a big improvement, but great technology.
Can I try?
Sure.